I expected it to be bigger.
Also, we just stumbled across the, like, probably my dream trench coat. Literally started, like, quacking at me. I'm so scared.
Guys.
They were so good, actually. Maybe the best fries I ever had. I found ratatouille pajamas. We're just heading along the streets of Brussels. Hey guys, guess who just booked a weekend trip to Belgium? Me. I've been really wanting to go to Belgium for so long, mainly to try the chocolate, to be really honest, and do a chocolate making class. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm very, very excited. I leave in literally half an hour. I'm going to go to the bus, then I'm going to catch a train, the Eurostar, all the way to Brussels, Belgium, and I got last minute tickets. They cost me £65 each, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, £65 there and 65 back, which I think is really good for the Eurostar. So I'm so excited, and I'm meeting my friend there. She called the earlier train because basically I booked them on Eurostar Snap, right? And Eurostar Snap, this is a little travel hack if you're coming to Europe, you can basically get really cheap Eurostar tickets, like half off the price. Like I think if I was to book normally, like the Eurostar, it would have cost me over £100 each way. With Eurostar Snap, they release tickets like maybe 1 or 2 weeks before, and then you can just like book. So basically, I decided, yeah, last night that I wanted to go, and then I just went, book. So, yeah, I'm going. And that's the other thing with Eurostar Snap, they just give you a random time between 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. that you're leaving and that you're coming back. So my friend got a little bit earlier train, so I'm gonna meet her there, and I got the 7 p.m. train. So yeah, I thought I'd take you guys with me for roughly 36 hours in Brussels. I'm so excited. I'm staying in a hostel, I'm doing a cooking class, and I'm gonna take you along for all of it. Anyway, so let's go. Okay, I just arrived off the Eurostar. I'm here in Brussels. Yeah. Let me go find my friend now. I found Stephanie, let's go!
This way.
We're gonna find the hostel. Oh, Häagen-Dazs, is that like a Belgian brand? That shop right there. Okay, day 1 in Brussels. Last night we got here and then we literally went straight out to this like bar. It was so random. Yeah, and then we went to bed in the hostel and I did not have a good sleep. It was so loud and noisy in the hostel, but yeah, it's okay, we moved. We're here for 1 day, so we gotta make the most of it. Anyway, we're outside a waffle place. We're just waiting for it to open. It's called the Waffle Factory and we're about to try our first Belgian waffle. I'm so excited, so yeah, let's go. That's where we're going. Okay, here's the waffles. We have a salted butter caramel one and chocolate and banana. I think I'm gonna try the salted butter caramel one first. That was good.
Stop, that's so good. They are obsessed with Bruno Mars here.
That was so good. Now we're gonna try chocolate one.
I like this one better.
That's some proper good chocolate on this. I think I prefer the caramel one though. It's just like more flavoursome, you know? This is so pretty. We're here at the famous statue. What do you think?
Honestly, I expected it to be bigger.
Yeah, true. Okay, we have finished our waffles. They were really good. And then we're just walking to our chocolate making class. I'm so excited because this is like the one thing that I really want to do here. And also, we just stumbled across the like pissing statue. So that was kind of cool.
The pissing statue.
And we went to a what's it called, like souvenir shop, and there was like a bunch of souvenirs of that very statue. We're just heading along the streets of Brussels. It's so nice here. It's actually much brighter than London.
Yes.
The light. We're going to our chocolate making class now. Woohoo! Right here. going to try chips, no, fries. They're called fries. Fries?
Fries.
Yeah, we're going to try fries with Flemish beef stew fries. I don't know.
I'm doing the Parmesan and basil.
That looks good. But yeah, we're at this really cute little like fry shop. Okay, we've just finished our fries. Did you like the fries?
They were good. They were very filling
Yeah.
for fries.
They were so good actually. Maybe the best fries I've ever had. Which is a big call, but they were like the flavor combo was so good. But now we're going to a vintage shop. Let me show you. Melting pot kilo. Oh, that's so aesthetic. Guys, that was so cheap. It was vintage like by the pound. No, was it? It was vintage. I think it was
Yeah,
it was like 18 euros.
It was by the kilo.
By the kilo. 18 euros per kilo. And I bought a top and like probably my dream trench coat. And it cost me 16 euros.
No, 13 euros.
13 euros. That is insane. I'm so happy because I wanted to get one and in London they were just, it wasn't worth it. Like it was too expensive. So yeah, I'm so happy. We're gonna go check out the Grand Platz. I think that's how you say it. But we're gonna get some Instagram photos and just check it out. So yeah. How good do these look? Mellow cake. They're like marshmallows.
That's dark though.
That's dark.
I think that's milk chocolate.
Dark chocolate. We are now heading to a lookout to see a good view of
Rooftop
Brussels.
58.
Rooftop 58. Very excited. The Grand like Platz, whatever you call it, was really cool. We got some Instagram pics. Scratch that. The place, the rooftop is closed, so now we're gonna go see these. They're like it's like a bull statue. I'm gonna just find the name and then I'll let you know.
Autumnium or something.
Autumnium? Okay.
Like that.
It's like, yeah, it's like a statue, but yeah, I'm keen. Anyway, we're going to the subway. The metro here looks like a bus on wheels. Wait, no, a bus on a bus on a train, if that makes sense. Oh, those are cute flowers over there. You can buy waffles over here in the vending machines.
That's crazy.
That's so cool. There they are. Okay guys, we're just reminiscing about the fact that we're in Belgium and we booked this trip like maybe 2 days ago. And
You booked it 2 days ago.
I booked it 2 days ago,
ago.
yeah. And it was funny because the other day Stephanie was like, wait, what did you say?
I said, where is Belgium?
You said,
And
where's Belgium?
You all thought that I said, what is Belgium?
Yeah, basically we thought she didn't know what Belgium was, but it's okay.
I knew what Belgium was.
You
I
just didn't know like
realize
where
that.
in Europe it was.
Yeah, I
And
thought
then-
it was like a city in Germany. I don't know why.
And it's so funny because now
I'm
we're
just
just...
a stupid American.
No. Because it's funny because now we're just here and we're just like thinking about the fact that we're just talking about how she thought it was a city in Germany and now we're like in Belgium. We're like, can't believe
like,
we're just in Brussels, Belgium.
We're in Belgium.
Kind of funny, but yeah, we're gonna go have a look at this silver thing. It's quite cool.
I reckon.
Whoa. We had to go to our favorite place ever, Primark. Here it is. These jumpers look so warm. That's a good price. That's a really cute skirt. I like that. Can't tell if I like this or not. These are the bags I really liked. I'm debating whether I get one or not. Because like, I don't know if I'd actually wear it. But I think it's cute. I found Ratatouille pajamas store. It was so cute. And these dressing gowns are so nice. How cute is that building? It's like around 5 p.m. I would say now. And we are both quite tired. But now we're heading to a chocolate shop because I feel like we have to go to a chocolate shop while we're here. What is? Stephanie got chocolate, like hot chocolate spilt on her by this cafe like worker. It was so bad. Anyway, It's like on her jeans and in her coat. But yeah, we're kind of done, but we're going to a chocolate shop and then we're gonna go to this rooftop bar for dinner. And then we're gonna have an early night. But yeah, I'll take you to the chocolate shop because apparently it's quite a good one. I might get a couple of souvenirs. Oh, it's the cooking shop. Hard to try. G'day, mates. Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just got so scared by that gold statue. It literally started like quacking at me. I'm so scared. Anyway, we're heading off to dinner now after all that. It's the Tintin mural. Here's the waffle stand on the side. Cheers. We just finished dinner and it was really good, and we met Ashley at the chocolate course, and yeah, now we're going on the Ferris wheel, which we're super excited about, so we're just walking there now. Yay, I'm so excited. We're going up. It's kind of windy, hey?
So, fun fact, I hate heights. I found this.
Wait, why are you telling us that now?
The balls!
Where?
All the way over there!
Oh my god, we went to those today.
Oh, the silver ones?
Yeah.
The silver ones?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are going to head off to our pub now, just to finish off the night because we felt like going somewhere else. I'm going to end today's vlog right here. Bye! I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next morning and oh my god, we had a way bigger night than we thought we would. We literally stayed out to maybe like 2:30, which is alright, but like we were planning on just going to like one bar just quickly. We ended up doing like full karaoke in the middle of a bar. It was so much fun, but I'm so tired. I'm running off like no sleep at all. Well, a little bit of sleep. But anyway, I'm just waiting for my friends because we're gonna go get waffles. We gotta get at least one more waffle before we go back on our train to London this afternoon. So that's the plan for this morning. I'm just waiting for my friends and then we're gonna go get another waffle at a different place today. So really excited for that. So anyway, let's go for the last day in Brussels. I love it here. This looks so yum. Okay, we're off. Honestly, I think the waffles yesterday were better. Did you like your waffle?
Yes.
Well, yours is good?
I'm excited to try the one from the Waffle.
Yeah, the waffle factory was good. Yeah, we thought maybe it wasn't as good as yesterday, but that's okay. Now we're going to get a coffee because we need to wake up a bit at Dunkin', and I've never tried Dunkin' Donuts before, so very keen. We're checking out a Belgium grocery shop for a cultural experience. Milky. Those look good. Bananas. Oh my god, Smurfs. Guys, we could take some waffles home. Mini cake. Ooh, banana chocolate. Okay, I'm back at the station now because nothing is open on a Sunday morning in Brussels, so we've just headed to the station early and I'm going to sit down and do a bit of work on my laptop for uni. I'm so tired though. We have to wait here for a couple hours and then we're heading back on the Eurostar. so hungry that we need to go to Greg's because Greg's is our favorite place and we've missed it. We've been away for too long. I just missed Greg. So we have to go and get a sausage roll because we're starving, and then it's time to go home. I'm happy to be back in London though, but I had a good time. Oh, Greg's. Life is worth living. Okay guys, I am back. I've just pretty much walked in the door and got changed. I had such a good time in Brussels, learning about like the chocolate and everything, trying all the food, that was the best part, and meeting new people and spending time with my friend. I had a really good time, but now I'm so tired. I haven't had much sleep because the hostel was so loud. Anyway, now I have to do all my laundry and get ready for the week because tomorrow I have uni, back into the swing of the week. But yeah, that was such a random little impromptu trip, but I had such a good time. Anyway, have the best day guys. Bye!